Hey guys, this is David at Finish Line Factory, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is our Project Miata. The engine blew a few months ago, and we're finally doing the motor swap in our new shop. So here we have the old engine, transmission and everything. So today we're going to pull the transmission off, pull all the accessories off, transfer those onto the new engine, which is standing over there, and then we'll be dropping the new engine into the car with the drivetrain all set up. So let's get to it. Came out real easy too. Wasn't too much of a hassle to pull out. Basically did it slowly over a couple of days. Realistically, I probably could have had it out in one afternoon, but I decided to take things slow, take my time, do it right. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start by pulling off the transmission. I think I'm going to raise the engine up. I'm just going to work off of the engine stand. It's not really all that safe because the hydraulics could fail, but as long as you steer clear of the bottom of the engine, you should be pretty safe. The biggest risk you have is probably, I don't know, denting the oil pan, or well, destroying the oil pan, but I've got spares, so it's okay. All right. Well, that took long enough. And yeah, based on the amount of crud and oil gummed up in there, I'd say, yeah, that rear main was definitely bad. So I think next I'm gonna pull the clutch and pressure plate off. Well, no, let's get started on the accessories next. I don't wanna get dirty all of a sudden. So here's the current problem. There's one, where's my finger? 2 and 3 nuts that are seized to the manifold. I guess a few years and some hard pulls, and the heat basically seized them on. So I think with a torch and some ingenuity, I might be able to get them out.
Now I'm craving things that I should crave.
All right, so we got most of the components off. We got the alternator, power steering pump, compressor, manifold, everything's off, but can't get this dang turbo off. So we got these 3 bolts here, and they're just stuck on there. I can't get them off. So we're gonna try some heat right there, some temperature persuasion, and just got the lighter. So let's let's get things hot.
Watch it pop out of there. Pow!
Let's get things a little hot. A little hard to tell. I think it's just stripped. I think that's why it's turning.
Got it, yeah. I see what you're saying. Let me see.
Yeah, it's not actually turning. No, it's not. It's turning. It's turning because it's stripped, not because it's hot. Loose.
What is that? That's 14, right?
Yeah.
Try using here. The thing with that is it wasn't flush, but then again it's hot now, so you may have some kind of leverage there. No? Oh wait.
No, I got it to lock on, but it didn't stay on. Okay, so now this is a problem.